All right, we're here at the Car Vault in Brownsburg. Very well known and regarded shop for car restorations. You could probably see some beauties parked all around here. But we're just talking about getting some, at least some basic bodywork things done on the Cadillac. I'm still trying to decide what to do with it long term, but it's always good to talk to the experts. All right, we're back home again. Long trip, actually. We had to head out to Brownsburg there for that trip, and believe it or not, I think that's the longest trip I've ever actually taken with the Cadillac in one shot. It's probably about 65, 70 miles altogether. Yeah, going to see the expert, get some advice about what do I want to do with this car. It's kind of seeming to me that I really need to get at least some of the body work done. Get some of this trashy area here fixed before trying to sell it. Yeah, that was quite a cruise. Funny, I got the car up. I was driving on the interstate in a 55 mile an hour zone, and I was like, I kept going too fast. I was getting up to like 75. I think I even topped over 80 a couple times, and I was like, oh, too fast. I need to slow down. Very interesting. This car had absolutely no problems cruising at 80 miles an hour. Absolutely no problems. Just a little about the ingenuity and engineering that went into this car back 65 years ago. Yeah, continuing the adventure. Thanks for watching.